So if you're super bullish on points, 122x leverage on YieldNest seeds. Welcome to another YieldNest DeFi tutorial. In this video, we'll go over our latest Spectra integration with Y and ETH. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to YieldNest.finance and click on the Go to App button to head over to our app, which to double check the URL is app.yieldnest.finance. For this integration, you'll need either WETH or ETH or Y and ETH. If you don't have Y and ETH, you can click on Restake and restake to get some ETH to get some Y and ETH. And if you're ready to go, you head on over to the Earn page where you can check out all our latest integrations. And so we're going to go over Spectra, which is one of our featured integrations right now. You can see the different rewards that it's getting. And you can also see a breakdown of the APY to get a better understanding of where the yield is coming from. You can get it. And so if you're ready to go, you head over on, click the Earn button, and we'll go over to Spectra Finance. If you're not familiar with Spectra Finance, this is a interest rate trading protocol or yield trading protocol. And you'll see when you land on a page like this, you have three different options to choose from when interacting with this protocol. You can leverage your points with the YT token, which is currently 122x leverage on YieldNest seeds. So if you're super bullish on points, you should definitely, this might be an option that is of interest to you. There's a PT token and LP token. And so PT token represents a fixed yield. So you can, if you're not so excited about points, you can get the PT token, and this gives up all of your points. So you don't get any points if you are using the PT token, but you're getting a fixed yield. If you are not sure which one you want, or you want a blend of both, you want some yield and you want some points, the LP token may be something you want to check out. So you can see the current boosts here. That's 6x on the YT is the base and 3x on the LP token. And you can see that this is a maturity date of December 30th, meaning that this is when these expire, and you can withdraw at any time. But if you hold till maturity date, that's when you get the full value of each token. So in this tutorial, I will go over. I will make a deposits in the LP token because I want a blend of both here of points and yield. So just click on provide liquidity. And so you have the choice of using WETH or Y and ETH. And you can also use the wrap token, but I assume most of you guys will have either Y and ETH or WETH, as it's the easiest to get. So I've got some Y and ETH that I will use. I'm going to go full degen and use the max balance for this video. And you can see here you'll get a blend of both LP, Y and ETH, and a blend YT, Y and ETH. So yeah, I will go ahead and approve this. This should just take a few seconds. Okay, so it's been approved, and now all I need to do is just click Add Liquidity. And again, just wait for a few seconds, and it should go through. Cool. And then I can go check it out on the portfolio page. And you can see I have a balance of YT, Y, and ETH here. And if you want to sell it, you can also go ahead and do that. And so you can see your balances here. So there's the YT, Y, and ETH. The LP token is added in the liquidity portion. And again, same thing. You can remove liquidity, select the asset you want, and go ahead and you can remove the amount that you want to remove. And if you deposit the PT token, then you would have to click on PT here. So that's all it is for Spectra, and so it's cool integration for YieldNest. Another thing you can do with your Y and ETH to enhance your yield or maximize your points.